In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to create, test, and run an AI-generated expert advisor for crude oil on MetaTrader 5. You won't need any coding experience to follow along. An expert advisor is a script that runs automatically in MetaTrader. It can open and close trades, manage risk, and follow a set of rules you define. Once it's running, it monitors market continuously without needing manual input. Let's begin with Gemini. Open it up and describe the kind of trading strategy you want to automate. Be clear and specific with your request. For example, you could type, write an MT5 expert advisor that buys USOIL when the 9-period SMA crosses above the 21-period SMA and sells when it crosses below. Include a fixed stop loss of 20 points. The simple moving averages will appear on the chart visually. Include an input for lot size and time frame. You can use any technical indicator in your EA that you like. But for crude oil trading, a few tools tend to be more popular among traders. Moving averages like the SMA or EMA are commonly used to track trend direction and spot crossover for entry signals. Momentum indicators such as the relative strength index can help identify overbought or oversold conditions, which can be useful during volatile moves. And if you're trading around major releases like inventory data, consider adding volatility filters such as the Bollinger Bands. The strategy you define can include any combination of these, depending on how you want the bot to behave. The AI will reply with a block of MQL5 code. Copy that entire block to your clipboard. Now, switch over to MetaTrader 5. Press the F4 key on your keyboard. This opens MetaEditor, which is where you create and manage trading robots. In MetaEditor, click on New and choose Expert Advisor. You'll be asked to name your new file. Click Next, then finish to generate a blank template. You'll now see a script with some placeholder code. Highlight and delete all of it. Then, paste in the code you get from the AI. Once it's pasted, press the F7 key. This tells MetaEditor to compile the code. Alternatively, you can click the Compile button in the top menu. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the results. If there are only warnings, you can move forward. But if there are any errors, copy or screenshot them and send them back to the AI. You'll get an updated version of the code that you can try compiling again. When the compile completes successfully, you're ready to test in the MetaTrader 5. Go back to your MetaTrader terminal. Open a chart for USOIL. Choose a time frame you want to trade on. In the navigator panel on the left, look under Expert Advisors. You should see the EA you just created. Drag it onto the USOIL chart. A setting window will appear. Make sure you tick the box for Allow Algo trading. Also, for safety, set a small lot size, something like 0.01. Click OK to apply the settings. You should now see a small blue hat icon at the top right corner of the chart. You'll also see two moving averages lines appear. That's your confirmation that the EA is running and monitoring the chart. To see how the bot will have performed in the past, you can run a backtest. Press Ctrl R to open the strategy tester. Choose your expert advisor from the drop-down list. Set the symbol to USOIL. Select the historical data range and enable visual mode if you want to see the trades play out on the chart. Then click Start to run the test. That's it. You've just built and compiled and tested your own AI-generated trading bot for WTI without needing to write a single line of code yourself. As a final note, this is just a starting point. The code hasn't been optimized for live trading conditions like slippage, latency, or fast market moves. Even solid backtest results don't guarantee future performance. Markets evolve. What works today might not work tomorrow. So be cautious and always test truly in a demo environment before going live.
Import the Black Bull Markets calendar to your email to receive alerts about upcoming economic events in your inbox, enabling you to plan your positions in advance and seize trading opportunities. Follow the link in the description to get started.